All right, so been a while since I made another video, and I'm gonna tell you why. I've been on a journey. I made another YouTube channel, focused on that, did the research, started making real moves with it. Money from that channel is not coming in yet, but I'm gonna tell you what I've learned. What you guys gotta understand is that it doesn't matter what life throws at you. It doesn't matter how hard it is. It doesn't matter what you're going through or anything like that. What you have to do is you have to keep pushing through. If you want to make money, make money. If you want to do something, do it. Don't let your girl hold you back. Don't chase women. Don't be playing the games and all that stuff. The only thing at the end of the day that you have to blame is you. And guess what? The beautiful part about that is that you get to change that. You get to change everything. Now, my journey and what I go through on a daily basis is probably different than what you go through on a daily basis. If you have kids, no excuse. You got a girlfriend, no excuse. You got a wife, no excuse. I don't care if they're all asking you for time. What? At the end of the day, all of them are going to be asking you for money. And as a man, it's your job to step up and provide for that. Now, what you want to do, how you want to do it, that's up to you. Now, you just have to be a person and you have to go forward and show everybody, like, hey, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make money. Keep that at the forefront of your mind. Make money. Because nothing in life, nothing happens if you don't have money. And you know how to make it. And I'm not going to be broken. If you're here watching me, you're not going to be broke. So get back on the grind, stay focused, use your head, and start working. You work hard, make money. Don't be this robot. Don't be a kid. Don't be a child. Don't be a little boy. Be a man. What does a man do? A man provides. Go out, make money, get a better job, work towards a better career, start a YouTube channel, start doing something online, start working in a job that's remote so that you can do two things at once. Maybe you can do overemployment or something like that. There is no time in your life because we don't get any more time. You cannot buy time. We all die one day. Do you want to leave a legacy? Do you want to have something for your kids? Do you want to have something for yourself? Stay focused, get on it, keep it moving.